Okay, hindi ko na-expect na sabihin to ng ganito kaaga, but this might be actually one of the most significant camera launches this year, 2026. This is the Insta360 X6. And if you don't know guys, Insta360 basically started the whole 360 camera movement guys sa buong mundo and they are the reason why this specific entire category actually even exists. And this time guys, hindi lang nila in-upgrade yung specs ng Insta360 X6. They actually, for the first time ever, changed the form factor. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuy James, and now, James Cipino, let's go! So before I open this, Insta360 decided to actually again change the factor, which is, I can say, a very big bet considering na napaka-successful and napaka-signature na talaga nung design ng Insta360 X5 nila. Usually, for a successor, you wouldn't expect small tweaks here and there, but this time, they really redesigned how you actually hold and actually even use the whole 360 camera itself. And if you're following 360 cameras for a while, you know that when Insta360 makes a move in this industry, the whole industry even follow. That's why maraming 360 camera out there ang gumagawa ng gatong device. So guys, unbox mo natin to. Let's go. So right from the box itself, makikita natin it's a Insta360 and sabi dito 8K 360 camera and makikita ninyo agad right out of the box. Zoom in natin onte. Makikita mo guys agad yung glimpse ng form factor. And yung box niya, in fairness, medyo malaki talaga yung datingan niya. So sa box niya, ito papakita dito may 140 minutes. Meron siya dito replaceable lens 2.0. Pag-uusapan natin lahat mamaya yan. Pure video mode, super low light, and then meron siya ditong 1-inch imaging chip with triple AI chip and 8K 50 frames per second, 360 video, flow state stabilization, which is a very new term na narinig ko. And here we have the what they call the essentials bundle. So tara, unbox natin to. Let's go. So excited na ako guys. We are one of the very first people to actually get this one. And mind to tell you meron pong giveaway itong paparating, but I will post it on my other social media channels, particularly on Facebook. So abangan ninyo yun guys. Okay? In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Okay? So unahin natin guys para exciting yung stick naman niya. So I believe of course Insta360 or 360 camera, sorry. Insta360 kasi talaga tawag ng karamihan ng tao guys in terms of 360 camera. It won't be a 360 camera without matigas siya. Uy, kakaiba to May iba sa ano niya. I don't know kung nakikita to. Medyo matigas guys. Bago pa kasi. Medyo iba yung ano niya. I don't know kung mapapakita ng camera. Medyo iba yung itsura niya compared sa traditional na selfie stick. May mga yellowish, translucent. I don't know kung bearing man to or whatsoever. Pero mukha po siyang fishing rod. And that's actually really normal. So medyo masikip siya. And later on naman pag ginamit yan, luluwag din naman na yan. Tapos this is the box. Pink bold. Which is basically the tagline guys ng 360. Tingnan natin kung ano laman nito. So meron siyang silica gel. Of course, di mawawala yan guys sa mga electronic devices natin. Very simple yung packaging nila this time and I'm starting to love that kasi usually pag Insta360 medyo marami talaga nangyayari. They like to do an experience unboxing kasi yung target market nila. Insta360 sticker, of course, if you like that one. Warranty, flexi care, they call the flexi care. Some manuals na di mo naman binabasa. And there's a let's say a soft case for it na isusuksok mo lang dito sa ilalim yung Insta360. There's a wire. The wire, let's check on yung quality ng wire nila. For some reason, actually, chine-check ko ito palagi kasi sometimes other brands really impress me in terms of their wire. Their wire is a standard USB-C to USB-C. This can be a charger and a data transfer cable already. And here we have, since this is a 360 camera, napaka-importante na malinaw ang lens mo. Meron po siya kasamang microfiber cloth with Insta360 branding. That's also very nice. Here, on the very bottom of the box, meron ditong, hulaan natin kung ano to? Ano mo kulang? Battery. There's a battery. Oh! Very nice. Ang ganda na itsura, guys. May onting edges here. May edges dito sa taas and eto po ang kanyang itsura. So they call this the extreme battery. So this is a 2,600 mAh battery guys here and they call this the extreme battery. So let's put that aside. And on the unit itself, here we go. Weight check. Parang medyo antaba niya, Like ang laki niya, So tingnan natin guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, again, this is the Insta360 X6. So before we dive into this one, pag-usapan natin guys kung paano nagsimula ang Insta360 era talaga. And you know, up until right now 2026, sobrang daming naka 360 camera na, and who would thought that this is possible? And here we are now on the second generation of the Insta360 X5, which is the X6 right now. So grabe. I can say, lumiit siya, bumigat siya, it feels more sturdy. Ito yung kanyang, basically may mic syempre itong 360 camera ito. There's a mic here in front. And there's this display na medyo malaki. And kung mapapansin mo, wala na po siyang physical buttons. Why? Because Insta360 actually, nakikita nyo sa box, they actually decided to integrate the record or the video button straight from the display itself. So without further ado, nakita na natin siya. Let's get right into the specs. First up guys, pag-usapan natin yung sensor guys. The Insta360 X6 has a 1-inch imaging with what they call a triple AI chip. And for a 360 camera, that's actually not normal at all. The AI chip handles the processing, it delivers cleaner image quality, faster computational photography since this is a 360 camera, and it basically gives you more detail per frame. Bigger sensor, stronger chip, which basically translate to a better footage overall. And I just want to show you guys, pinakuha ko yung Insta360 X4 Air namin. I don't have the X5, but this is the closest we got. And this is literally the side-by-side comparison. And tignan mo itself yung camera, kung gaano kalaki yan. With definitely, you know, the bigger the hardware, but the smaller the form factor, but the better the quality. Next, this is the headline spec of this camera. 8K at 50 frames per second, 360 degrees. Let me say that again, 8K across the entire sphere of this camera, not just one direction. Meaning, whatever part yung i-crop mo later sa edit mo, whatever angle yung piliin mo, hindi ka mauubusan ng resolution. And that 50 frames per second, meaning equals smoother playback once you export it and of course, post it or share it. In this part naman, pag-usapan naman natin, of course, low light, wherein actually where a lot of 360 cameras are actually suffering. For the Insta360 X6, they added a what they call a pure video mode, no? So this is actually a feature that is being built specifically for low light conditions. So let's say night shots, indoor shots, or low ambient light situations, wala kang magiging problema. And honestly, that's always been again the weakest spot of 360 cameras across all brands out there. The moment na maging dark, nag-drop talaga yung quality ng mabilis. If Insta360 actually solved this, which malalaman natin and makikita nyo yung preview right now, that's actually a game changer for content creators. Now, stabilization naman guys. Eto, may bagong terminology si Insta360 in terms of this industry. They call it the flow state. Okay, flow state plus 360 horizon lock. You know how 360 cameras get used to, let's say, in a lot of extreme activities out there, which actually, doon naman talaga sila ginagamit most of the time. And in all of that, the last thing na gusto mo mangyari is magkaroon ka ng shaky footage. Kasi nga, let's say, that's the reason bakit binili mo yung 360 camera mo. That is actually, they say, where the horizon lock comes in. So, even let's say, kahit gumanito to, or gumanyan to, yung video mo mag-stay siya in a landscape or whatever man kung ano yung, let's say, shoot na ginagawa mo. So, no matter how much you move, the horizon stays level in your video. So, a lot of action camera also having this right now. So, I don't think na hindi dapat magkaroon talaga yung mga bagong 360 cameras right now, 2026. So, it's like having an invisible but a built-in gimbal. Now, of course, guys, you will always ask, does it has a replaceable lens? Well, actually, yes. And this time, tinatawag po nila itong replaceable lens 2.0. So, if your lens gets scratched or madamage siya or mabasag siya, you don't have to replace the entire unit itself, which definitely saves you a lot of money. It's actually a modular design which actually gives you a more practical and cheaper cost in the long run. Battery-wise naman guys, Insta360 says that it has 140 minutes of continuous 8K at 30 frames per second at 360 recording. It actually makes sense, no? Given how much power that resolution demands. So 8K 30 frames per second on 140 minutes, again at 360 dual lens recording, I believe okay na yun. So let's say kung 8K 50 frames per second naman, let's say siguro baka mabawasan siya ng mga around 30 minutes, which honestly is still very, very abundant. Good thing, the box already includes an extra extreme battery right out of the box. Plus, meron po siyang fast charging case. And that fast charging case is actually not just a case. Na-discover ko lang ngayon. It's actually a built-in power bank at the same time. So if you plan to shoot your day right, you would actually get caught with a dead battery here and even on your phone. So to recap again, what's in the box on the Essentials bundle, which actually ito yung bundle na pinadala sa atin ni Insta360. I can say if ito yung bundle na kukunin mo, I don't know if ito talaga yung pinaka-max sa bundle, but I believe it's not. It's honestly genuinely complete. You get the camera itself, of course. You get an extra battery. You get an invisible selfie stick. You get a fast charging case, USB-C cable, protective pouch, lens cloth, and a quick starting guide na hindi naman natin binabasa. Plus, it also comes with a 1-year extended warranty which actually automatically applied to you once na inactivate mo unit with your phone. But before we conclude guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, I'm sure meron kayong isang part na tinatanong nyo right now sa isip ninyo. Does the Insta360 X6 has a lag option? Well, actually, it's yes. Meron na po siyang iLag at 10-bit. So para dun sa mga tao na very sensitive in terms of color grading katulad natin, well actually that's a very good situation. So you're not just buying a camera. You're basically diving into a whole new ecosystem with Insta360. So is the Insta360 X6 worth the hype, or is it worth it to actually being bought? Based on the specs alone, 1-inch sensor. Nakita naman natin guys yung difference kanina no dun sa X4 Air namin. Ang laki talaga ng difference, like size itself, like visual pa lang. 8K 50 frames per second, triple AI chip, upgraded stabilization, new form factor, and honestly nung ginamit ko siya guys, napaka-smooth niya. Like for some reason mas naging fluid siya. And napapansin ko right now medyo mas maliwanag pa yung display niya. And right now touch ko na yung button niya, which definitely gives you a whole new experience. This actually really gives you a serious upgrade. Plus mayroon pa siyang iLag na 10-bit. It's not just a spec bump. So it's like they actually did rebuild their whole new philosophy on what 360 camera actually should be, which I can say this is a perfect 360 camera for serious content creators who want a immersive footage, travelers who want to capture every angle or every moment, or people who follow this category since na nagsimula si Insta360. And honestly, this isn't just a new camera at all. It's Insta360 making a statement, sinasabi niya sa mundo, that they still lead the space they actually created. And if the first impression is already this strong, it will be very interesting to see kung saan papunta ang buong plano ni Insta360 guys sa industry na to. So magkakaroon tayo guys ng giveaway also of the Insta360 X6, but with partnership with Insta360, that will be on a different approach, no? So magkakaroon tayo ng post nun. So abangan nyo guys, make sure naka-follow kayo sa mga social media channels natin. But of course, every video nag-a-announce tayo ng winner here on our channel. So i-announce ko lang guys, yung winner ng Nubia Neo 5 Max natin. Gabi, ang daming views ng video na to. So if nakikita mo to, comment right now. Kung ikaw to, make sure to message our Facebook page, Kuya James Afante, with a blue check mark to claim your prize. So abangan nyo guys yung next video natin. Again, marami pa tayong gagawin sa channel na to. Baka ikaw manalo guys ng libre, brand new sealed, okay, authentic, free, not cash on delivery because libre mo siya matatanggap. So make sure like mo tong video na to, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And i-comment mo dyan sa baba, anong pinaka-nagustuhan mong feature of the Insta360 X6? Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James 2.0. See you on the next one.